It's one thing to create an idea. It's something else to make it real. To draw out a design, to test the concept, to build something that works. To put it in a box to ship all around the globe. Innovating, designing, producing, supplying, exporting. Making the products that enrich our lives, that create millions of American jobs, that drive our economy, that impact the world every single day. That's U.S. manufacturing, and that's why we are here. Since 1988, our mission has been to serve and support the men and women of U.S. manufacturing. Our team of over 1,300 experts lives out this mission with passion and dedication. We work with those who are eager to innovate and grow, who want to find the solutions, the technologies, and the skills to become more competitive all around the world, proudly stating, "This was made in the USA." We are the MEP National Network, the only public-private partnership dedicated to serving small and medium-sized U.S. manufacturers in every state and in Puerto Rico. We help make an impact on their employees, their companies, and their communities. Be a part of making an impact on U.S. manufacturing.